Hi, welcome at the ADJ booth. I'm Frank. I'm presenting you two new profile spots from ADJ. We have the Encore Profile 1000 Warm White and the Encore Profile 1000 Color. Both have 100 watt LEDs. The first one is a warm white 100 watt LED and the other one has a 100 watt RGB white LED. It has manual focus as well as manual zoom. It has 4 frame shutters and of course a gobo holder, and it's suited for smaller theaters that needs a good profiler for their shows. More information at adj.com or americandj.eu.